Hi, I'm John Kursky, and in this video, I'm going to show you that if you've seen this issue in Power Query Lint, why text.lower is important, and how you can make sure that you import all the files you need from SharePoint. Okay, so let's set the stage on why text.lower is so important. Up on my screen here, I've got a SharePoint document library, and in a lot of scenarios in which I've worked with customers, you're using SharePoint as your source of information. And you might be putting files up here, or they're getting updated, or you have some third-party system like some sort of PowerShell script that's running and adding these files. And you want your semantic model to refresh, pull down the CSV files once a day and grab this information. Well, typically, if I pull up Power Query, it's going to look something like this, where we've got filtering on our document library, and then we go and filter on the extension, which is the CSV. Well, you notice in this one, there's only 3 files that show up, but in the document library here, we've got 4. Well, what's the reason for that? Well, if I was to go in and go to Advanced Editor, copy this Power Query code, and I go to Power Query Lint, paste it, lint it, you'll see that the message highlights that extension in CSV. And the reason is Power Query is case sensitive. So to get around this issue, what you can do, simple fix, and I'll show you with a different version of the code. You can, right before you apply that extension filter, you can make sure that you've lowercased the values, and you can just right click here, go to transform, go to lowercase. Let's try that again, transform, lowercase. And now you see that it lowercased that CSV that had a capitalized extension. And now, if I go and looking at the filters here, it captured that 4 documents. And if I was to copy this back into Power Query Lint, paste that here, notice the potential issue is now gone. And so this, I've seen this happen quite a bit, where folks are working with or depending on other systems to add files, or even a human's going to save a file and they might have the cap locks on, and when they save the file extension, they accidentally do capital CSV or capital TXT. And you'll get that phone call saying, hey, that file I just uploaded is not showing up in the latest Power BI refresh. Well, that's the issue because of case sensitivity. And Power Query Lint can help you identify those very quickly. So I hope you learned something. Please subscribe to this channel, and we'll be putting out new videos on rules and features in the coming weeks.